When steering noise, vibration, or uneven tire wear begins to appear, a worn hub assembly is often the underlying cause. This MOOG hub assembly is engineered to deliver dependable performance, long service life, and confident handling, making it a smart replacement choice for drivers who expect durability beyond standard components. Designed with problem-solving innovations, it helps restore smooth rotation and stable wheel support under everyday driving and demanding conditions. At the core of this hub assembly is an application-specific advanced raceway design that reduces stress, heat buildup, and unwanted rotation on internal components. This thoughtful engineering helps extend bearing life and maintain consistent performance over time. To further support long-term reliability, coated wheel studs provide strong corrosion protection, resisting rust for easier removal during future service and helping ensure accurate torquing during installation. Installation is designed to be fast and hassle-free. The hub assembly is engineered for direct fitment, allowing it to bolt on cleanly without unnecessary modifications. An integrated ABS sensor with an abrasion-resistant ABS cord is included, designed to resist contamination, vibration, and physical damage that can lead to premature failure. The sensor plugs directly into the existing wiring harness, saving time and reducing installation complexity. Every MOOG hub assembly undergoes rigorous testing throughout the design and development process. This comprehensive validation ensures consistent quality, strength, and durability you can rely on mile after mile. Backed by premium materials and precise manufacturing, these assemblies are built to outperform many original components that may wear out sooner than expected. Before purchasing, confirm compatibility with your exact vehicle to ensure proper fitment. If you are replacing a worn wheel hub and want a solution that combines easy installation, corrosion resistance, and extended service life, this MOOG hub assembly is a reliable choice. Check the link in the video description to learn more and purchase the product, and subscribe to the channel to discover more trusted automotive repair parts and maintenance upgrades.